It's in a downtrend until it breaks out. However, we don't buy the breakout. We need a higher high or a higher pivot in order for us to see the change of direction. We need to see the change of the trend in order for us to possibly enter. Here it did break out. It's right underneath these levels. Came right up to the level. Here is our support resistance, right to the level, couldn't do it, right to the level, couldn't do it. And then started coming down, broke through this level, now coming down. This is what we need to happen. We have our high. Then on the macro, we have a higher high. And then we need a higher high that's going to beat this area. Now you may say, well, Joe, there's a lower high. Yes, but then this is our newly created pivot. So anything in here we don't count. We just count the highest points or the lowest points. Same thing in here. We have a low, we have a higher low. You may say, well, Joe, this is a lower low than this one. But again, we're looking at the largest points. So we have this one and we have this one. And then now, hopefully, it's either going to bounce where it's at right now, or it may come down and hopefully bounce here. And what we really need, guys, in order for this to stay bullish, or to get bullish really, is it needs to break this level of 63.3 and then hopefully just make a higher high. So just it can be just a little bit. Like, we don't even care. We just want something to where it's going to change the trend. Once this happens, everybody's going to get super crazy bullish because they're going to see that now the trend is changing from a downtrend. We're changing this to an uptrend. And then the uptrend will probably continue until about here, then possibly come back down again. Or now, maybe because so much time has passed, now, hopefully, we start getting to the all-time high, which is 73, we just call it 73.8. We'll have our dump, massive, very fast dump, then a very fast pump just to get the liquidity, just to liquidate the people going short and long. What does liquidate mean? Liquidate means when it turns your money into liquid and it goes down the drain. That's how I remember it. But I do like NAKA though. Why did it go off though? Oh, maybe it went off earlier. So when that happens, I just set my alert again. So I'm gonna set my alert above the wick. So we'll do it right here. Because I do like NAKA. NAKA was shown to us the other day. We are still looking at ACH. This one looks really good. And we were looking at it right here. Of course, I mentioned that we put the alert right here. And at that time, I didn't set an alert. You know, I informed y'all, if you like this coin, set an alert. But me, I didn't. Now, time has passed. Came down here, went up, came down, went up. It's building strength. What is the price range tool from where it's at now to our alert? 6%, not a problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set an alert right around this level. And this may be one that we put in the VIP. I do like it now because it has time. It had time for an accumulation. Roughly about 2 weeks, 14 days in this kind of accumulation box that I drew with my eyeballs right here. And it's breaking out. So I think it's going to be really nice. It's funny. I get people that do that to me all the time, where they'll see my charts. They're like, oh, Joe, like that's horrible. That's, you know, a 1-to-1. I said, dude, if it makes you feel better, get rid of this one and let this one be your first target. There, you feel better? You feel better? But it's so funny because this is we're going to get profits way faster than not having this one and waiting for this one. This makes sense. So those are the targets. If you have money, stop messing around, do the VIP. If you don't have money, don't worry about it. I'll show you how to do this stuff for free on the videos that we have here. So if you want just to support the channel, just say, hey, Joe, you're the best, and you will become my favorite. It's $19 a month if you want to do that. And then, of course, if you want to do the monthly with a credit card, it's right here. It's $99 a month. And, of course, you get all this stuff. And then, of course, if you want to do lifetime, here's a lifetime. Here's a lifetime. Now, if you want to pay with a crypto, then just send me a message on Telegram. So I would send an alert right here, and I'm gonna send another one too. Send an alert. And of course, the 4-hour candle must close above this level of 37.80. 4-hour must close above that. If it doesn't, we wait, because it could end up doing this range, a very tiny range. It might do this for who knows how long. And then right when you think it found support, and then come down like it did right here. It's looking like it's doing good, finding this really nice trend line, broke it. We're not the bottom yet. 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 So that's what I would do. I would set an alert right there, and I really want VRA to go. Man, do I want VRA to go. Now, if you're looking at this as a long-term investment, yeah, sure, get some now. Get anything right now. It doesn't even matter. Get it right now. Get anything right now and just hold it. Goes down 30, 40%. Who cares? Who cares? Buy more. Buy more. VFAA, regulated digital asset. No idea what I just read. The offers a portfolio of blockchain-based AI assistants. Oh yeah, I remember this. And on-chain intelligence. Okay, so this is like ChatGPT for blockchain stuff. I like that a lot. Wow, I really like this. So this is what I've been wanting for forever. You know, where you can scan your birth certificate, you can scan your ID, you can scan your medical records. I'm a nurse, and I would hate, there was a few coins that were pretty much healthcare related that I had entered. I don't know where they're at. They're on some exchange. I don't even know what exchange. I don't even know where to look. But there was a few of them, but this right here would solve that problem. Because once again, I'm a nurse. I get a new admission. They don't know their history. Their family doesn't know their history. And then we have to get with another hospital to see what history was given to them, which may or may not be true. Family history. But if this is on the blockchain, and now granted, you would have multiple keys or multiple pieces that need to go together in order to see it, because that's valuable information. Some people may be against this thought process of why would you hold it going down? Why would you hold it going down? Like, that doesn't make any sense. You bought it here. You see that it broke its level. Why don't you sell it? Okay. Let's say we sold it at a negative 20%. Then it comes and it starts doing this and it starts going up. Now it's great. We buy in again. Market changes and it comes down and it breaks our level. And we lose 20%. So now let's say it's going and it is doing a falling wedge. And then it changes direction and now it's creating a higher high. Awesome. We enter again. And it goes for a while and then it dumps. Not even hitting our first target. Now granted, this is an investment. This is not a regular trade. And it hits this area, right? And then of course we get negative 30% this time. So this is just saying the market's not great. The market is not great, but guess what? We're trying it. Because we don't know, and we're getting in when it's good. However, here, if we entered and just kept it, it came down, came down, came down. Well, I'm at a loss at about, we'll just say 17%. This is my investment. But because you, as the investor who is trying to not lose money and have a trader mindset while investing, it broke a level, broke the moving average, broke the PLC, point of control, broke anything that you use, and you lost 20% with the investor mindset. I'm going to keep it. I'm going to hold it. I'm going to sell it when it reaches 800% or 5x or whatever. But every time it breaks the level, you're selling because you don't want to wait and you want to make more money, which is fine. It's understandable. You lose another 20%. You lose another 30%. Right now, you're losing way more money than this investor. Now, let's say it comes all the way down here, 60%. And let's say you did not enter this because you think it's going to go down 20%. And you're right. It went more. It went way more. And right now, you're puffing out your chest and you're saying, look, I know what I'm doing. And this indicator sold this and this and this. The indicators, what they are, they're lagging indicators. They tell you what the price action did. Did that make sense? Indicators tell you what the price action already did. So with that being said, when the price is coming down or what have you, and it starts going sideways, it starts going up, and we enter, But then it starts going down, starts going down, starts going down. Well, now the indicators are going to be following that. So they're going to show you what already happened. Yes, dude, like, you don't need to rub sand in my eyes. Like, yes, I see that it went down, but it's okay because I have the investor mindset. It went down 60%. Well, guess what I'm going to do? ICNX, karate, perfect examples. I entered some more money. So now instead of being down 60%, now I'm down about 45%. And then in a month, if it's still that low, well, then I'll go and put a little bit more. Then I'm down 35%. And then guess what? As soon as it starts getting better, I'm in profit. 30%, 50%, 80%, because I'm adding to it as it's going down. Now, granted, do we want it to go down? Yes and no. I'd love for the markets to be great right now. Everybody in major profits. But this is what happens when, you know, you're doing your trades, especially when you have the investor mindset. And I guarantee it, like I literally guarantee it. Anybody who has an investor mindset will outperform any trader, whether you're an order block trader, whether you're a point of control trader, whether you're a momentum trader, whether you're any kind of trader, it doesn't even matter. An investor, why are the richest people investors? You don't hear about them trading and getting 80% or 120%. No, they bought when it was low and they haven't sold because it continues to go up. Now, granted, will it go down? Yes, but it continues to go up. Having the investor mindset, and this is one thing that I've been teaching the group, or not teaching the group, but just kind of drilling into the group, especially, well, the end of last year, but especially the beginning of this year, constantly, investor mindset. We're so early. We're right at the beginning. Can you imagine right now, any coin that you like, whether it's Turbo, whether it's Ray, whether it's Ton, whether it's Caspa, whether it's DOT, any coin, it's down. You put $50 in, it goes down another 30-40%. You put another $50 in. We are so close. We are so close for that pivot. We are so close, guys. Every single day that passes, we get closer and closer. Now, would I give this same advice 2 years ago? Nope, not one bit. Would I give the same advice last year? Yeah, because I learned now. Because everybody who got in last year, they're up 100%, 200, 300%, because they're doing what I was told to do, but I didn't want to do it because I was afraid of the investor mindset. Man, if I put in money now, it's gonna, man, I see it going down 30-40%, another 30-40%, another 50-60%. But I didn't realize, and that's the beauty of this. The longer you're in this, the more that people who have already experienced it, the more it sinks in. Man, you're right. I didn't do it. I did it my way, and I could have had way more money if I would have done it that way. So that's what I'm doing now, is I'm showing you, one, my mistakes from my first bull run, my mistakes from my first bear run or market, and then what we're doing now is when you want to invest. You know, can we do trades later on? Yeah, sure. Are we doing trades right now? Yes. Right now we're doing trades, because right now it's just to get in and out of coins, make 30, 40, 50, 80%, whatever it is, just to get some excitement. But what we want to do is we want to get those investment bags and just hold them. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.